we've got the new GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I'm really interested in checking out the stability. Right now I've got it on a pretty long handheld pole, and you might be able to see in the foreground there the pole's kind of shaking and the camera's shaking out there at the end, but we're hoping the stability works, and my hopes is to get rid of the gimbal. I do have the GoPro gimbal, but it's kind of a hassle, as we all know, to use, so just a simple pole with a remote is a whole lot easier, lighter, and better to use. So this is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I'm going to take a Hyperlapse cruise on my Segway around Indian Wells Country Club, and that's at about 15 times speed, and we'll see how the stability works on that portion. But right now, as you can see, walking around with it on a very large extended pole, to me I think it's pretty darn stable. Again, note that pole in the foreground, you'll see it probably shaking, and the camera, I can see it shaking out there, but we're hoping for a nice stable video. So off we go around Indian Wells Country Club on the Segway with Hyperlapse and the GoPro Hero 7 Black.
Grab your board and go sidewalk surfing with me. Don't be afraid to try the trickiest sport around. Bust your buns now. It's catching on in every city and town. You can do the tricks the surfers do. Just try a Quasimodo or the coffin too. Why don't you grab your board and go sidewalk?
Test run with the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and it absolutely works fantastic. I'm just amazed at the stability. Really, it has killed the gimbal, and you no longer need any more gimbal as far as I'm concerned for about 95% or whatever of whatever you do, because the stability is fantastic. The usual GoPro waterproofness and all the other attributes of the GoPro that were on the Hero 6 are all, of course, encompassed in the 7, and I really do like the stability factor the most. As far as ever upgrading from a Hero 6 to a 7, well, because of the stability, I'd do it. So this is Steve Young, and back to having fun in retired life in Indian Wells Country Club.